Monza. Welcome to Speed's exclusive live coverage of the Italian Grand Prix from Monza. Hi everybody, I'm Bob Barsha with David Hobbs, Steve Matchett, and Peter Windsor. Let's get right to our BMW track analysis and ride with Fernando Alonso.
Two-time world champion and winner last year. 215 miles an hour right there in the dry, down to this, a 40-mile-an-hour corner. Tricky, wet or dry, very, very tight 40-mile-an-hour chicane. As we saw last week, you can't go cutting that corner. Water standing deep there, you can hear the revs struggling to get up there. Coming into the Curva Grande, a long corner, lots of run-up area on the left-hand side now. Didn't ever used to be there, and of course we were heading down for the Lesmos, but before we have this, the Reggio chicane. We've seen a lot of action here over the years, a lot of run-up area on the inside, water standing deep, but of course it's going to make a huge difference in today's race. Down to the first of the Lesmos. Fast right-hander, medium speed right-hander. You can see him struggling for grip there. Out to the curb. You've got to use the curbs here, inside and outside. Not so much down here at the Lesmos. You don't want to get too far over that curb, otherwise you find yourself in the gravel. Now we have the long run down to the Variante Ascari, which is a right-left chicane, very high speed. And here they're going to use the curbs big time, especially in the dry. There you see him going up over the curb. You've got to be so careful in the wet not to upset it. On the exit here on the right, you'll see a big ASJIP sign there in paint. Very, very slippery, as Raikkonen and Hamilton found out yesterday. Long run down to Parabolica. It's important here to come off those Variante Ascari very close behind the guy in front if you want to try and overtake him into this Parabolica. Long right-hand, 180-degree corner, speed up all the way through. And again, you want to be on someone's tail because the absolute best overtaking spot here is down to the first hairpin. So a lot of slipstreaming, a lot of drafting is going to go on, but of course difficult in these wet conditions because of the spray.